Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our StreamYard today. I'm glad to have you. Today, we're going to talk about how to recession-proof your business and beat inflation with retirement plan financing. Okay, I know it's a long introduction, but this is something that's really important right now. If you're paying attention at all, and we'll get into this in the slides, this is something I'm really excited to talk about. So let's dive in. All right. My name's Steve Weibel. I'm the Key Account Manager here at Credit Suite, author of Business Credit, the Complete Step-by-Step Guide, and I am super happy to be here as always. So is my crack team of social media. They're there to answer any questions, put any comments in the comment section. They're happy to answer it. And in addition, look down below, give us a little bit of a like, all right? All right, let's move on. So look, hard times are obviously coming. If you are paying attention at all, you know what I'm talking about, okay? All you have to do is turn on the television set. Prices are obviously rising. Interest rates are rising. Inflation and recession are both starting to raise their ugly heads. Now, I'm an old guy. I remember the 70s. This kind of feels like that to me. Gas prices skyrocketing, everything you buy just costs more. We've got supply chain issues. So, things are bad. So right now you have to think, will your business sink or swim? All right. That's the question. The key to surviving inflation and recession is to be prepared. This means you need to anticipate any cash flow issues or any needs you're going to have and having the funds available before things actually get bad. Right? This is proper planning when things get bad. This is why some businesses survive recessions and some just simply don't. All right. If you need financing, secure it now. Do it while you can. All right. And while interest rates are still relatively low, they're going up, but they're not skyrocketing. I can remember when rates were 15%. Right. So look, you have some financing options. There's lots of options available. There's loans, lines of credit, credit cards are probably where you're thinking right now. Right. But there are other choices that may even be a little bit better for you. In fact, one specific option is available to some regardless of your credit and interest and interest regardless of your credit and are interest free. Here's the problem with reading a PowerPoint, right? Sometimes it doesn't make any sense. By the way, if you're not sure, go to creditsuite.com/get funding. Reach out to us. Let's see what we can do for you. All right. So let's talk about retirement plan financing. Credit Suite offers a powerful and flexible way for new and existing businesses and franchises to leverage assets that are currently in a retirement plan. In as little as 3 weeks, you can access your retirement funds for your business. Right? This gives you way more control of the performance of your retirement plan assets, and it gives you the working capital you need for business growth right now, or to hold steady at least, right? So, retirement plan financing is not a loan from your retirement plan. I want to make that really clear. It is not a loan. You will not have to pay an early withdrawal fee. You will not have to pay a tax penalty, and there will not be any interest whatsoever. So, what is it? What is retirement plan financing? This is what we call rollover for working capital program. All right. It's also known as rollover for business startups, or ROBS. I'm sure many of you have heard that. It's called ROBS. That's how it was coined by the IRS. And as such, the IRS fully supports this type of program. All right. According to the IRS, a ROBS qualified plan is a separate entity with its own set of requirements. The plan, through its stock investments, owns the business, right? So now, actually, I've seen this a lot with real estate investing. All right. So this is rather than an individual owning the business, therefore some following exceptions for individuals, all right, that may not apply to such a plan. It's best to check, obviously, out with an expert. All right. This ensures you don't miss on any pertinent steps in the process. You don't want to screw it up. You want to do it the right way. By the way, get your free business financing guide. Go to creditsuite.com/live-27. All right. So what are the details? As mentioned, this is not a loan against your retirement plan, so there's zero interest to pay. All right. It does not use the retirement funds as collateral. Instead, this is a change of ownership from you to the plan. All right. Question is, do you qualify? All right. It's pretty easy to qualify for, actually. There's no need for approvals. No need for financials or good credit to get an approval. To qualify, all the lender needs is a copy of your two most recent retirement plan statements. The plan has to have a value of more than $35,000. You can receive whichever percent of your plan is rollable as financing. All right. In many cases, you can secure a low interest credit line or loan for 100% of the plan's current value. All right. The plan you use cannot be from a business where you are currently employed. So as I work here, I couldn't use it from my 401k. It has to be from a previous employment. You also cannot be currently contributing to it. So, there's obviously some rules here. These are typically 401k plans, but other types of retirement plans may qualify as well. All right. Credit problems, not a problem. This is perfect for business owners with credit issues. Lenders are not basing approval decisions on creditworthiness. In fact, you can be approved even with recent derogatory items and major collections on your credit report. You qualify for and get really good terms if you have severe personal credit problems. So how's it work? First, you'll set up a retirement plan for your company. Then you'll invest your plan into that company. Your company becomes cash rich and debt free, right? You need to work with a CPA to get this set up. They will help you roll over a non-contributing and qualifying account. You can cash out half or $50,000, whichever is lower. Sounds crazy, right? So is it legal? Of course it is, right? Of course it is. By the way, once again, get your free business and financing guide, creditsuite.com/live-27. All right. Under the ERISA, or the Employee Retirement Income Security Act, the burden of building retirement assets is shifted from the employer to the employee. So you can be younger than 59 and a half. You want to pay an early withdrawal fee. All right. So by using retirement plan financing, you are investing in a company that you actually control, right? As opposed to investing in the stock market with your 401k. All right. The success is in your hands. Your employees can use the new retirement plan also. You can help them take charge of their own future. So why is this better than a distribution, right? First of all, unless you're 59 and a half years old, you're going to pay a serious withdrawal penalty for distribution. That's right. All right. You'd be paying to use your own money, right? How crazy is that? All right. Don't do that. Sorry, I feel like I'm losing the internet here. If your plan allows for loans, the IRS will only let you borrow up to 50% or up to $50,000. After that, you have to start paying taxes on it. All right. Also, with a loan, you're going to pay interest, right? So you're not only taking your own money, you have to pay back interest. And again, you'd be paying to use your own money. Then there's this fact. Not every retirement plan even allows loans, right? I'm not even sure that mine does, as a matter of fact. Not that I want to borrow against it. The program allows you to tap into your existing retirement account with no penalties or taxable distributions. You can use those funds for the business. This financing option avoids loans, it avoids banks, it avoids bad credit. It doesn't matter what your credit looks like. All right. So how does this help with inflation and recession planning? Well, here's the thing. If you have an eligible retirement plan, you need to take advantage of this type of program now. We're already seeing the effects of inflation, including an increase in Social Security checks to account for rising prices, and recession is most definitely on the way. 100% it's coming, ladies and gentlemen. All right. If you have these funds on hand and available to use, you'll be able to absorb increasing costs more easily, obviously, right? You'll avoid the difficulty that comes with trying to access financing during a recession, which is very, very difficult to do. By the way, great time to start building your business credit too. Get your business credit profile built. Reach out to creditsuite.com. Go to info@creditsuite.com. Call us at 877-600-2487. You need to build your profile right now. Those who haven't done it yet, get on it now because it's coming. When prices and interest rates rise, you're going to be ready. There's also IRA financing and stock and bond financing. You can do something similar with your individual retirement account. I think somebody asked that in the questions. Stocks or bonds can be used as collateral for loans, but again, these are loans. Use your future to fund your business now when you really need the money, obviously, right? Credit Suite's here to help. Not only can Credit Suite help you get going with your retirement plan financing, but our business credit specialists can help you find other ways to fund your business. We're here to help you access what types of funding you're eligible for, all right, and guide you to the steps you need to take to qualify for more. In other words, build your business credit profile, all right? We're here to help you. Set yourself up for success despite what the economy brings. Continue to not only survive, but actually thrive, right? Build your business and relax rather than worry, right? So to recap, and this was a super fast one, guys, only 10 minutes. A couple of reasons my internet is shaky. I wanted to blow through this really quickly. To recap, inflation is here and recession is on the way. Guaranteed. We've already started seeing the effects. Retirement plan financing can help you be prepared to get through this rough time that we're heading into. Credit Suite can help with this type of funding and plenty more. Again, 877-600-2487. If you want more information, see the description below. Give us a like, share with your friends. Love seeing you here today. I know it was a short one, but it's early morning on Wednesday. We want to get things rolling today. Next time we're going to cover, you got to be here for this one. Ty's going to be here, tier 1 vendors, including what they are, how to find them, how to use them to build a strong business credit profile. It's going to be awesome. By the way, get access to every legitimate funding program in one place. You pay us no fees ever, ever, ever. If you're looking for funding, use our loan volume to get lower rates and fees. Use our business blueprint to graduate to SBA loans. In other words, build your business credit profile. Never look for funding again. My name's Steve Weibel. I was so happy to have you here today. I hope I was able to get you out of here quick enough to get your next cup of coffee. Everybody have a great day. Bye-bye.